Hey guys, thank you for tuning into another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this cute natural wave bob for you guys from HJ Weave Beauty. So if you'd like to learn more about this hair, just stay tuned. This hair is from HJ Weave Beauty, like I said, and it is 14 inches all around. I just wanted one side to be shorter than the other, so I went ahead and went in with my scissors and then just carelessly chopped off the side, as you can see here. First impressions, this hair was really soft. It did not have any smell at all. It did shed a little bit when I was washing it, but I expect that with every hair, like that's totally normal. I ordered it and then it arrived within 4 days, so I thought that was like pretty quick. When I first received this hair, I washed it. I did not bleach the knots or anything. It came pre-plucked, but I did go ahead, took my tweezers and went in and plucked it a little bit, like customized it to my own liking. And I added a little bit concealer in the part. I also like parted a very thin section in the front and cut it very shortly so I could do my souped baby hairs and like cover the lace, because the lace was a little bit thick in my opinion, but I don't know if it was because I didn't bleach the knots, so it was a little more apparent. But I tried to like camouflage the lace as much as I could, because I ain't no professional and this is my second time doing a frontal. So yeah, I tried my best. I think it came out pretty good. Like I said, it's very soft. For this hair, all I did was I wet it and I took some mousse. It's the olive oil mega moisture mousse. So I just shook it up, put some in my hand and scrunched up my hair, and that's what gave me these beautiful curls that you see. And I did it on like 60% dry hair. It's still soft. It's not crunchy at all. Like, that's some really good mousse. To lay it down. Oh, I also did the baby hairs with the mousse, because I tried doing the baby hairs with the Got2b glue and it came out a little bit too stiff. So yeah, that's that. To lay the actual frontal, because as you see, it's not going anywhere, honey. I just went in with this Got2b glue. I put it on and then I did my makeup so it could dry, because I didn't feel like waiting on it to dry. So I just put it on and then I grabbed the front of the wig, pulled it forward, pressed it down with my fingers. I didn't use the comb or anything. And then I did both of the sides. I pulled it over and did both sides. And I took my scarf and I tied it on there and let it sit for like 5 minutes. Then when it was done, I went back in with the mousse and I got my rat tail comb and swooped the baby hairs. And I took my scarf again and tied it on there and let it sit for about 5 minutes. And that was that. And it came out pretty good. Put some concealer in the parting and I'm straight. I took off my scarf. It looks so bomb. Like, for my second frontal, I think I did pretty good. It's pretty full. Like, this is good for $92.75, don't you think? Like, it's bomb. It does come in 613 also, so if you want to just get that color and then dye it whatever color you want to, like, you can. You can bleach it, dye it, whatever. Like, it's 100% human hair. And I think I'm gonna get 613 hair next, because I really want to do like a pink or lime green. Okay, so yeah, they have other bundles, closures, and frontals that you can choose from. So I would recommend this hair. Like, it's soft, it's really nice. This is the back. The wig cap was a little bit too small, but I think it's just because I have super thick hair. Like, no matter how I braid my hair down, the wig caps just don't fit me. Like, I need an extra large wig cap. It still works, it still looks good. I use the baby hairs to camouflage the lace. Yeah. So for a recap, I did customize it. I plucked it a little, but it did come pre-plucked. I added a little bit of concealer to the part. I cut it a little bit on the side. You could have worn it how it came, like straight out the bag. Not have to pluck it because it did come pre-plucked, but I just felt like I wanted to customize it to my own liking, like so it could look as natural as possible. And it does look bomb. The plucking did take me a minute, I can't lie. It took me a minute, but if you want it to look bomb, you're gonna have to put in the time and the work. That's just it, baby girl. If you want a video on that, let me know. I can get that done for you guys. And yeah, that's about it. If you guys like this video, love this hair, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want notifications for when I drop another video, because that will be soon, go ahead and click the notification bell. Specs about this hair will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.